Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by accepting you don't have built-in Bluetooth and taking one decisive step. Plug in a USB Bluetooth dongle or a USB transmitter. Once done, install the driver the manufacturer supplies, because Windows often needs that to expose the adapter as a device. Make sure the adapter shows as present in Device Manager, then open Settings Bluetooth and Devices to start pairing mode. You're moving from no wireless to an available radio, so act confidently and keep the Airpods case. Now pair the Airpods. Open the case and hold the setup button until the LED flashes white. This tells the dongle to see them. Next, in Windows, click Add Device, pick Bluetooth, and select your Airpods from the list. Accept any prompts. Once paired, open Sound Settings and set Airpods as default playback and, if needed, default communication device. This ensures system audio and apps use them. If an app still plays on speakers, check that app's output setting and switch it to the Airpods explicitly. Finish by testing audio and mic. Play a video and use sound test. Adjust levels until clear. If connection drops or pairing fails, unpair in Settings, restart the PC, then reset the Airpods, hold case button 15 seconds, and pair again. This clears stale profiles. Make sure the USB dongle is on a front port or a short extension to reduce interference. If you still see lag, consider a low-latency transmitter or a wired USB headset as a reliable fallback option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.